Introducing the revolutionary Flex Scrub. Break away from traditional floor pads and clean better than ever before. See for yourself why Flex Scrub cleans better than a traditional pad. Split down the middle is a ceramic tile floor. Both the left and right show dirt, germs, and debris illuminated by a UV light. On the right, a green Flex Scrub is used. A bristled floor pad that reaches into cracks and crevices to scrub out dirt and debris, sweeping them away. On the left, a green traditional floor pad. Dirt and debris seem to be clean from the surface of the tile, but let's take a closer look. When the UV light is illuminated, you can see how the traditional floor pad on the left simply swirled around the dirt and debris. On the right, the Flex Scrub dug deep into the grout lines and pores of the tile to release dirt and sweep them away, leaving no residue to glow under the UV light. Upon further inspection, comparing the traditional floor pad to the Flex Scrub, you can see how the Flex Scrub not only picks up the dirt and removes it from the floor, it is also self-cleaning. With minimal dirt and debris in the bristles of the Flex Scrub, you're ready to tackle the next floor without transferring germs from one room to the next. Which floor would you prefer? Seeing is believing.